Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix LCP image lazy loading in Shopify. So, if you're seeing a largest contentful paint that is LCP lazy loading issue on Shopify, don't worry. I will show you exactly how to fix it to speed up your store and improve your Google page speed score. So, step 1 is understanding the problem. LCP is a key ranking factor for SEO and page speed. So if Shopify is lazy loading your main banner image, that is hero image or other key content on your Shopify, it can delay loading and hurt your performance score. So step 2 is identifying your LCP element. To find which image is causing the issue, open your website in Google Chrome, right click there and select inspect element. So we'll have to simply open our website. Here we'll right click and click on inspect element. Now go to the performance tab in this section. So this is the performance tab. Now reload the page and look for LCP element. So click on the reload option at the top of this and look at the LCP. It says 2.7 seconds for me. So it's usually the main banner image or the product image above the fold. So step 3 will be excluding LCP image from lazy loading. Shopify automatically lazy loads all images, but for the LCP image, we need to disable lazy loading manually. To do this, simply navigate to Shopify store, then navigate to themes, click on three-dotted icon here, click on edit code. Now open the section banner.liquid file. So go to the filter files search bar at the top left, then search for section-banner.liquid. So after you find your section-banner.liquid file or the file where your LCP image is located, you'll have to simply find the img tag and remove loading is equal to lazy tag for the first visible image. So this ensures that Shopify loads your LCP image immediately instead of delaying it. Now, step 4 is optimizing image format and size. So on this step, you'll have to make sure that your LCP image is optimized. Use WebP instead of PNG or JPG. So go back and in the content section, navigate to files and make sure no file is PNG or JPG. Make sure it is WebP. You can keep the size below 200 KB and set proper width and height attributes to prevent layout shifts. Now, fifth step is enable lazy loading for below the fold images. So while we disabled lazy loading for LCP, we still want other images to be lazy loaded. Make sure your product images, blog images, and footer images still have lazy loading enabled to improve performance. Now, test and verify your performance. Go back to Google Page Speed Insights, run a few tests, and check if the LCP time has improved or not. Your LCP time will be shown just right here. And you should see a faster loading time and better core web vitals score. And that's it. Fixing the LCP lazy loading issue can drastically improve your Shopify store speed and SEO. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Shopify fixes. See you in the next one.